Did you know that fall is a fantastic time to plant? We're getting a lot more moisture finally. The air temperatures are cooling down while the ground remains warm and encourages root growth. You can plant trees in the fall. And we have hundreds of varieties of trees, and so many of our large ones are in the back tree section. You can plant evergreen shrubs in the fall. You can plant deciduous shrubs in the fall. You can plant my favorite, perennials, in the fall. And grasses, you can plant them in the fall. You can plant conifers in the fall. Annuals, nah. Bulbs and garlic, you can definitely plant in the fall. So if you want to give your trees, your shrubs, your grasses, your hardy perennials a great start, plant them in fall and you'll get some added root growth before they have to deal with a blazing hot summer. Thanks for watching. See you soon.